Good morning and welcome again to your computer class. We have done mail merge and now this is the time for exercise. So directly we are going to do filling the blanks. Hints are given there. Main document, MS Word, tick, tab. Dash contain the text that we can send to all the recipients. So the answer is main document. Dash key helps us to move between fields while typing the data. So, tab key. The data source can be created in dash database file where we are going to select MS Word database file. Dash mark gives an indication that the record is selected. Tick. Okay, we are going to check it. Now the next one, state true or false. Data source contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. So this is your false. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. True. Merge field is a feature that is used to combine a recipient list with a main document. We are going to combine, yes, true. Preview result option on mailing tabs displays first record from data source, true. The two main components required during a mail merge process are main document and merge field. No, main document and data source, so it's false. Let us check them. Yes, it's correct. Now come to application based questions. Radhika has purchased a brand new luxury car. She wants to celebrate her happiness with her friends and relatives. She wants to extend personal invitation to each one of them without typing their names and addresses time and again. Which method could she use to fulfill the requirement? So, which method? Mail merge. Suchitra is an office assistant in a company. She handles all correspondence work of the company. This month her company has made 5 new clients where she will add the contact detail of these new clients while using the mail merge feature. So, data source. Now come to multiple choice questions. Dash is a row on a data sheet which consists of number of fields. Row is your record. Dash is a data item which instruct MS Word where to insert data source information in the main document. Dash is a data item, okay, which instructs MS Word where to insert data source information. So that is your merge field. To create a new recipient list, select what we are going to select, type new list radio button under the select recipient section. Answer in one word or one sentence. In mail merge, where do we organize data in a tabular form along with field names? Data source. Which tab do we select to execute mail merge option? Mailing tab. Which button is used to further select the option for printing a document? Print button. Where do you enter the records that are to be associated with the main documents? Data source. Now, question and answers. I am going to send you separate PDF file for question and answers. You have to write question and answers in your notebook and rest of the exercise only in book. Goodbye for now. Stay safe. Stay at home.